Smallholder farmers produce 70% of the world's food and own 90% of the world's farms. Yet they are often excluded from the digital and financial tools that could transform their livelihoods and regenerate the planet. In a changing climate, farmers need more than information. They need the right intelligence at the right moment for their farm. Every day, smallholder farmers make decisions that directly impact their harvest, their income, and their family's future. And this is where Cosecha is different. We started in the field 13 years ago. Now, to scale our global impact, Mila is transforming our field experience into an intelligent operating layer for food companies and organizations supporting smallholder farmers. Cosecha has worked alongside 17,000 farmers and 62 household members, with 80% living on less than $3 a day. Cosecha believes in the importance of building regenerative supply chains and helping families turn their land into a pathway to multi-generational wealth, while engaging women and youth in long-term approach to wealth creation that positions their land as our most valuable asset. Our 24-month graduation program has generated more than $62 million in farmer income. Households increased income by an average of 82% in a 24-month period. We know what works. Now, we're turning the field-tested experience into a technology that can scale. Meet Mila. Mila is like having an agronomist walking beside every farmer 24/7. Farmers can speak or type, and Mila provides personalized guidance based on their unique context, from crop health and regenerative practices to harvest forecasting, cost tracking, and what to do next. It's voice-first, multilingual, available for low connectivity environments, and built to increase the supply of regenerative food products for the growing market estimated at $57 billion. But Mila is more than a farmer assistant. It is the intelligence layer for scaling better smallholder supply chains. Cosecha has worked with a number of food companies in coffee, chia, and other supply chains selling to meet rigorous certification standards such as Fair for Life, Regen Organic, and others. Mila connects farmers, field teams, and buyers through agronomic support, traceability, and premium market access. And that relationship is already extended into the digital world, with more than 7,000 farmers using Mila today across 18 countries worldwide. Cosecha spent a decade proving the model. Mila is our gateway to take that intelligence global. Our vision is simple. Put an AI-powered agronomist into the hands of every rural community across the globe, giving millions of farmers the guidance and support they need to make better decisions to build a more resilient future.